Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a hair update with you guys. I'm going to be talking about the rice water. I'm going to update you guys on that. I'm going to share some products with you guys that I started using on my hair that I'm freaking loving. I'm going to also be talking about my hair. So you're going to see me styling my hair at some point in this video, probably when I'm talking, but it's kind of all wrapped in one because you guys have been asking me about my hair. I am slightly styling it differently. I'm doing some different things and I'm just really, really excited to talk to you guys. So really quickly before I get started, if you are new here, I share makeup and skincare for mature women. Sometimes we talk about hair. I was a hairstylist for over 25 years. So if that interests you, please consider smashing that subscribe button below. Make sure you click the notification bell too, because I don't want you to miss out on any of my content. Let's get into it. I shared a video with you guys not too long ago, and I was talking about my seborrheic dermatitis that I developed on my scalp. And I was using medications, I was trying different things, and nothing was working. I had heard about rice water, and I decided to give it a try, and it helped clear my scalp up. So I was using it as a treatment. This is it right here. So I was using this as the Long Hair Village rice water. And so I was using this just as a treatment, and I used it for 4 weeks. I'm probably going to get rid of this now because this doesn't last forever. You know, you're not going to hold on to this because it's going to spoil. Okay. But I was using it just on my scalp area and mainly in the areas that I had concern that I had like that. If you have seborrheic dermatitis, you know what I'm talking about. It feels like you have scabs on your scalp, okay? So that's where I was using it. I would massage it and leave it, and then I would rinse it out. I did that twice a week, and I did it for about 4 weeks. Then I was also using, which I still do use, I just don't use this every night. I was using this oil, this rejuvenated scalp oil. I pretty much was using this every time I was shampooing my hair. I'm not doing that now. Now I just kind of a couple times a week I will do it after I dry my hair, and I just kind of concentrate on the areas that I need it on my scalp, okay? That I had those issues, just to kind of, I don't know, I just don't want that to, if you've ever dealt with this, you know what I'm talking about. So this is the thing. I'm treating my scalp more like my face. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna explain that as I go along with things that I'm using. So I was a hairstylist for over 25 years, and I had access to go to the hair supply store, and I could see the new products coming out. I don't work in a salon. I haven't, and I did not keep my license. I didn't keep my license when I moved to Florida. So I just didn't want to go through all the education and loopholes that I had to for some, you know, I'm never going to work in a salon again, and I just didn't want to do it. So I've kind of been out of touch with a lot of products. You guys have asked me for recommendations. I can only recommend what I can remember because there's so many other products on the market right now. And these are some new ones to me. So I follow this lady. Her name is Brooke the Stylist. She has an Instagram too. I'm going to link her below because she's the one that hooked me up with all of this. Her hair looks amazing. She's got really, really long hair. It looks fabulous. It's bouncy. It's shiny. It's like that is the hair that I want. I just feel like I was losing that hair. Look, I just felt like my hair looked fuzzy all the time. I'm looking at my hair in the monitor. I just can't even believe it. My hair is just totally turning around. It's unbelievable. But I have a long way to go. I'm going to talk about it, okay? So she talked about these products, and I ordered the shampoo and conditioner, and then I just ordered everything that she recommended because she is spot on. So what she talked about is this product called Enjoy. Now, I used to use Enjoy, but I feel like maybe this is a newer product of theirs, that newish product of theirs, and it's their holistic line. So it's the Enjoy Holistic D-lux shampoo and the Enjoy Holistic Hydrate conditioner. So that's what they look like. I actually like the packaging. She kind of, sorry about the hair. I just took these out of my shower. So she kind of mentioned the packaging. She thought they were kind of generic looking. I like it because it's got a palm tree on and a coconut. How can you go wrong with that? You know what I'm saying? And I live in Florida, so it works for me. But the product itself is freaking amazing. I feel like I have more shine in my hair. I feel like my hair has more body in it. Now, I was using good products. I was using Joyco Defy But I went through all of that and I just felt like, I don't know, my hair's just not, it's not looking the way I wanted it to look. Okay. I take care of my hair too. I do get it colored. I'm going to talk about that. So I started using these, and I was using the Joico, which is a good product, but I just felt like it wasn't there. So I started using this, and oh my gosh, I just felt like immediately I could start feeling a difference in my hair. I just feel like it feels so good. My hair feels so good right now. And again, I get regular trims. I take care of my hair. So after I tried that, I'm like, I want to order more from this company because I freaking love what I'm using. So I ordered this. This is the detangling spray. So I use that after I get out of the shower. I will spray that on my hair. Then I will go in with this, and this is the, oop, the cap fell off. This is the Holistic Heat Active Leave-In Treatment. They all smell amazing, by the way. And I will take this is what I got from the, using the rice water. I just use this wood brush or comb, and I work it through my hair because I don't want to pull my hair. So I do use my wet brush still, but I use this first and I use my wet brush. So I just don't want to pull my hair. So that's what I do when I get out of the shower. Then I use this once a week. So this is the Enjoy Mask. I love the packaging on it. It's very simple. I actually love the packaging, and oh my God, it smells amazing. This line smells amazing. It smells like you're on vacation. It smells wonderful. It smells, I'm trying to think, maybe coconut, vanilla, and lavender or something. I don't know. It just freaking smells amazing. So I love it. I love it. I love it. You can leave this on, I think, I don't have my glass up, but I think it's like 10 minutes or something like that, or you can leave it on for an hour with a bag on or something like that. Love that. And then the other thing that she recommended, there's a couple more things. Another thing is she recommended to clarify your hair. She's like, I clarify my hair once a week. There's two that she recommended. I didn't know which one to get, so I bought both. So I am an overachiever. I'm not saying you have to do this, but I'm like, I just want to get my hair back because I just feel like for a while my hair has been off. It just, I get compliments all the time on my hair, but I just feel like it has not been looking its best for a while, and I've really been struggling. And I've been using what, the girl has at the hair salon, okay? Because that's the salon that I go to. So I purchased the Amica Reset Pink Charcoal Scalp Cleansing Oil, is this one. And then I got the Reset Exfoliating Jelly Shampoo. So this one, yes, this one is actually has like it's kind of like a scrub. That's what I like about this. So I get it and I really, really scrub my scalp really good. So I feel like it's kind of like when you are exfoliating your face, I feel like I'm exfoliating and getting any buildup that I have off of my scalp and off of my hair. So that's why I use both of those. I don't know that you have to, but I'm an overachiever, okay, with my hair. So I'm doing it. Okay, so I'm using both of those once a week. And then after I do that, another thing that she recommended that I freaking love, and I'm going to buy another one of these because it's so small, and when it's out, I need to have it. It's the number 3 Olaplex. Love it, love it, love it. This is the first time I'm using the Olaplex. I shared that with you guys a while ago. I said I want to try it. I didn't know what to try. She said that she does not like the shampoo and conditioner. I'm like, I'm listening to her because she's giving me some good advice, and everything that she's recommended, I freaking love. Okay. So again, I shampoo my hair pretty much every day because I live in Florida. And when I go walking or I'm outside and my scalp is sweaty, I'm sorry, I gotta wash my hair. So every day pretty much use these. Okay. And then I use this every single time I wash my hair. I put the detangler on because I feel like it helps to, my hair always is crazy when I get out of the shower. And then I like the heat protectant, okay? Once a week on this. And then once a week I do my treatment. So I will wash with these, one and then the other one. And then I will go in with my Olaplex and I will leave this on for 10 minutes. And I use this comb and I comb it through. Just leave it there. So I don't know what to tell you. My hair is so much better. I don't know if you'll be able to see the back. I don't know how curly it is. Is it kind of curly in the back? I mean, my hair feels amazing, you guys. It feels freaking amazing. Now here's the thing. So I color my hair. I don't have any grays. I'm not covering up any grays or anything like that. I just like to color my hair. But I think I'm going to give it a break. I think the next time I go to see her, I have an appointment scheduled in April. And I think when I go see her, I'm going to go back to this is my natural hair color right here. She was doing like highlights and lowlights kind of a thing in my hair, and I love it. And my hair looks nice now, but when it's dry, my ends look they look really dry. They look really, really dry. I actually trimmed my ends just a little bit today after I washed my hair. I'm like, I've got to do this because I honestly, I probably need to get a lot of my hair cut off at this point because it's so dry. Like the ends are dry. And she also uses the thinning shears, and I don't think I want her to do that anymore because I feel like I always have these pieces sticking up. I don't know if you can see, and it's driving me nuts. I just don't like that look. So it's like I want to wear it straight, but I feel like I don't like the way it looks straight because I have all these flyaways in my hair. And I love her. She's a great hairstylist, okay? It's just that I know my hair, and I just feel like I need to give it a break from the color, and I need to not do the thinning anymore. I feel like the thinning in my hair is just it's just not working for my hair. I have natural curly hair. My hair isn't really that thick, but you know, I guess it is. I don't know. I don't know. But the thing about your having hair a little bit darker, and I have warmth, you know what I mean? Like I have red in my hair, so there'll be warmth in my hair, which I think is really, I feel like I think it's good to add some warmth as we age because I feel like our skin tone changes, you know? But when your hair is a little bit darker, it actually makes it look a little bit thicker too than when you're blonde. If you're all blonde, your hair looks a little bit thinner. When your hair is darker, it's going to look a little bit thicker. But this is starting me off like my hair is getting back finally. My hair is finally looking nice again. I've been working so hard on my skin and everything. I've kind of neglected taking care of my hair. I really have. When I style my hair, you're going to see me style my hair. When I style my hair, what I do is I take it in sections. I take it in sections, just 2 sections. And then I would just go through and I will take the curling iron and I kind of wrap it to get it close to my scalp. And then I kind of pull it away and pull it away, and then I release it. That's what I do around all my hair. So right now I am blow drying my hair because I don't want to go to bed with wet hair anymore. That might have been part of the problem why I was getting that. I don't know. But I make sure that I dry my hair every single day. That's why I'm really conditioning and taking really extra good care of it. So I'm drying my hair and then I use a curling iron. I'm thinking I'd like to use hot rollers. I just don't know. Am I going to get those? Like, I like the curls I get. Am I going to get curls like this with hot rollers? I don't know. I haven't used hot rollers in so freaking long. So I'm thinking about maybe I would get some hot rollers. I definitely want to give my hair a break from the flat iron. I just want to give it a break because I feel like it's so dry right now. I don't really like to use a curling iron, but I have to use something. I have to curl my hair. So that's what I have to do. I can try to scrunch it. I don't know. See, when my hair was like really curly, I was just like sleeping with my hair wet and I woke up and it would be really curly and I put a couple curls and that's all I did. But now I'm doing it totally different and I like the way it is. I just like the way it's a little bit smoother looking. It's not so flyaway and crazy. So by the way, you're going to see some older videos still because I film my videos way ahead of time. So I'm still working through and editing a lot of my videos. So you're going to see my hair like this, and then you're going to see my hair before. So just keep that in mind when you see my videos. You're going to see some stuff from like, before I started doing all this to now. I'm not using this anymore. If I need to go back to this, I will do it. But right now I'm not using it because I feel like it's done what it needed to do. The thing about rice water is there's a lot of protein in it. So you don't want to keep on using that on your hair because it could end up drying your hair. Okay, so that's why I just did it as a treatment and now I'm done with it. I'm done and I'm using these. And the oil, I don't use that every single night. Maybe once or twice a week I do it. But I feel like it's kind of like, I put a serum on my face, so I'll use it. But I don't use it all over. I really just use it in the specific areas that I was having issues. So that's what I've been doing. Something I want to mention, besides like I said, I was taking care of my hair. I get my hair trimmed every 4 to 5 weeks. I get my hair trimmed. So even though I'm actually want to grow my hair out, I want my hair to get longer. It's too short for me right now. I don't like it this short. It's longer, but then when I curl it, it shrinks up. So I want to get it a little bit longer. I still am making sure that I'm getting my hair trimmed because it is so dry right now. I mean, it doesn't look dry right now, but I'm telling you, after I dry my hair, my ends just look like they look like straw right now. So that's why I want to not do the bleach highlights anymore. I just need to take a break from that. Hope that you enjoyed it. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up. You can follow me on all the socials. And I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Bye. I don't have anything funny to say. I have absolutely nothing funny to say. Oh. Can you do that? Wait. Can you do that? Okay, my eyes. Okay, let's do it again. Tell me if you can do this. I have to concentrate to do that. Okay. I'm probably creating wrinkles, so I'm not going to do that anymore. I feel like my eye's twitching, so if it looks like I'm winking or whatever, my eye's twitching. What is that noise? My light? Okay, that was weird. That was really weird. My light was like making a weird sound. Okay. And you can,